So guys, today in this video we are going to walk through how to apply an e-student dependent visa for India. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, we covered e-student visa already, where a foreign national who wants to study can get a study visa to India through simplified e-process. Okay. Now, a student may have dependents like wife, children. They want to accompany and support, right? Because they can be called as dependents. So they can use this e-student dependent visa. Process is gonna be same. You can apply online, fill the form, attach documents, pay for it, and once given, you are all good to go. So let's go ahead. Okay. So before I proceed, want to confirm neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. And all the information you see here is just sample, it's not real. Nationality, so select your nationality. Passport type, port of arrival, let's say New Delhi. Delhi, yeah. Date of birth, do it as per your own case. Your email ID. I'm not sure if I can do copy, but provide correct email address, otherwise you don't know where it will go. Haha. I'm putting sample. Okay, so E student dependent. Okay, or dependent of E student visa. Yes. Expected date of arrival. So do it as per your own case. I'm just doing, let me take it April, just sample. And captcha. I don't know why I'm so weak in captcha. So what you really need? Copy of passport page containing personal particulars. Okay. Along with they will ask the details of the student visa holder, and some documents also like relationship proof and all can be asked too. Okay, just to prove. Name exactly as in your passport. So I'm just putting Smith. Let's say Ella. Have you changed your name? If you do, they will ask question. Otherwise, female. Just I'm just doing sample. Town, city of birth. Let's say Toronto. Country, region of birth. Let's say Canada. Citizenship, national ID number, whatever is to give it. Religion. Let's say Hindu. Visible identification mark. Let's say mole on right hand. Education qualification. Let's say graduate. You acquire nationality by birth, but heavily for apply yes. Now the passport details. Passport now do it as per your own case, not what you see here, and verify every detail at least once, not just at least two times, not just one. Do you any other valid passport ID certificate? I select no. Click on like save and continue. Present address, home. Do it as per your own case. I'm putting sample. First state, postal code. Permanent and present I made same. Father detail. nationality, place of birth of your father, country, region of birth, mother detail, let's say Kathy Smith, national, nationality, previous nationality, region. That's not mandatory, but I mean, even if a particular field is not mandatory, but if you have information about it, there's no reason to hide, right? Country, place of birth, marital status, married, applicant year, spouse details, let's say wife of John Smith, who has got e-student visa, nationality, Canada, place of birth, country, birth, where your grandparents of paternal, maternal, Pakistan national, belong to Pakistan held areas, profession, occupancy, let's say anything you can put. I just select housewife. Please below specify below occupation details of spouse. Spouse. Whatever is applicable to do it. This is very simple. Are you were you in a military, similar police, security? I select no. Oh, I did a mistake. That's why this page got refreshed. Oh my God, I should not have done that. But anyway, you have got an idea. So I'm quickly gonna fill this page and then I'm gonna continue. So we cross that area. Places of visit, whatever it is, like Delhi, Mumbai, and other things. Have you booked hotel, resort, etc. for tour operator? I select no, no. But if you have done, definitely do. Name of the principal visa holder, John. Now it is asking for visa number, application ID, whichever is there. So of course I don't have this, so I cannot provide this. Like, but in your application it is must. Expected port of exit. Again, IITC Delhi. Have you visited ever India before? I select no. Has permission to exit, visit, or stay extension in India previously refused. Select countries visited in last 10 years. If if you have visited any country, provide that information. Have you just SAR country except your own during past 3 years? I select no. Reference in India and reference in Canada, you can provide. Next is gonna be asking for your documents that you need to do, upload, and then payment, and then it will go for processing. And if things are fine, you're all good to go. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.